Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, September 22nd. We are looking at window traders, market profile of the ES and NQ. So the bears have really controlled the action the previous 2 days with gaps, trend days, price spikes. Volume was decent. For now, I said with 6 days to go in the month, calling the monthly balance still. We'll see how the rest of the month plays out, and then we'll see if October takes out September's low right away. Then I would certainly go down. But for now, we'll call it balanced. The weekly and daily are certainly down in the S&P. Today's game plan, I'm going to try to make it fairly simple early on. I'll be looking for shorts unless we take out the overnight high. If we can't take out the overnight high, then we should continue to stay below value from yesterday and possibly stretch or make the monthly go down by making new lows. If we take out the overnight high, then I believe the bulls will at least take back some of this poor structure we've seen over the past 2 days, and we should have some two-sided trade. Okay? That's kind of what I'm looking for. If we're able to take out the overnight high, depending on where it is, and get inside of value from yesterday, well, then there's a good chance we're going to, again, we were 8 wide, never got 9 wide, and we had the afternoon rally high. So we can look for that type of move. But if we can't take out the overnight high, well, then again, I would expect to make some lower lows. Pretty basic, simple game plan early, okay? If it changes, and as the market evolves, well, everybody in the trading room will know that. Now, we're trading in ES way below value right now. NQ is not only in value, they're above their price spike, their price probe, price spike, and above the single prints. Now, it's only pre-market. Doesn't mean it's going to stay like that. But for now, NQ, look where their overnight high is right now, right near their 9 wide point of control. Such visual levels that this market trades at with the short-term traders. Righty did not have a trend day, but they did have a price probe late in the day when they finally took out their IB. But for now, they're inside yesterday's range. So again, that's early game plan. You want to front run wherever the overnight high is the first time to see if where you don't get it. But once we get it, I would think buyers or the bulls might take back some of this poor structure. On the chart, we'll recap all 3 of these indices tonight. So here's the monthly. I'm still calling it balance. Yes, we took out last month's low by $1 and change. But again, it's a monthly. It's not a daily or even a weekly. So I want to give it a little more room to see what they really want to do. So we have a week to go in this month. So in July, we did just under 1.4 billion. Last month, we did just under 1.8. We're at 1 billion right now with 6 days to go. So we'll see. If you're a bear, you want to see that volume accelerating as we go lower. So the monthly, again, I'm calling balance for now. The weekly firmly down. And the daily firmly down. If we take out yesterday's high, we'll come back into at least a 2-day balance. If we fill the gap, maybe I'd call it a 3-day balance. But it would initially be a 2-day balance if we take out yesterday's high. Good luck trading today. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Don't forget, my podcast comes out, Speculators Podcast with Aaron Corbs at noon today. I'll put it out there as soon as it's released. And we'll recap the day and the week at 4 p.m.